What we are about to create today is something that can earn you huge amount of money. Let's take a look at this video.
Meet our cat, Bob. It's a new day and he's ready to start his daily routine. First things first, Bob makes sure his smile is fresh and clean. A quick bath to shake off the sleepiness and start the day right. Bob's not just cute, he's also a master chef in the kitchen. Breakfast time. Bob knows a good meal fuels a productive day ahead. It's time for work. Bob's got big plans for today. At the office, Bob is all business. From meetings to emails, he's always on top of things.
Now, you might have seen videos like this trending on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and people are making thousands of dollars from just these simple videos. I'm going to show you how to create this style of video with just this one single AI tool that I'm about to introduce to you in this video. So let's watch this video and pay attention and follow every instruction I'm going to be giving in this video. For you to get started, then you need to write your script. And to write your script, we'll be using ChatGPT to develop our scripts. First step, you need to write your script. I'll leave the link to this prompt under this video description so you can get access to this prompt. So in this prompt, I'm saying I want to create a 3D animated cat daily routine video from waking up to brushing teeth, bathing, cooking, eating, going to work, working in the office. Generate a good short script for the video. Also give me a good 3D pizza style text to image prompt for each scene. So if you come down here, you can see what ChatGPT has given me. So here is saying waking up. So this is the narrator voice. So I will use this narrator voice to create the voiceover for this video. Now if you come down, then you can now see the AI text prompt that we can use to generate this image for scene 1. Now after coming up with a script, then the next step is to generate our AI image that we'll be using for this video. And to do this, we'll be using a website called MimicPC to generate this AI image. So this MimicPC is an open source AI platform, customizable and affordable. With this, you can create AI images, videos, and audio. You can also train LoRa models without development and also add custom models for endless possibilities. I'm going to walk you through how to use this particular tool to generate AI images that you can use for your video, that's your storytelling. So you see what they offer. They are offering image creation, model training, video creation. They are also offering audio creation, face swapping, large language models. So it is a very good tool to use. To use this tool, you need to click on free launch, which will give you access for you to sign up, or you can also log in using your Gmail account for this. And after sign in or logging in, you'll be brought to an interface like this. So from this interface, what you can do is to come here. From this place, you see image generation. If you want to generate video, you can use the video generation option. But for this, we are going to be generating image. So we will click on image generation. And from this option, we are going to use the Auto 11 Web UI Forge. If you want to start any app on this particular website, then you need to come here and click on Start App. From here, you just have to scroll down and then you select the bargain. Let's just use the bargain option first. So once you select the bargain option, then you come down here and click on create and start. And now you have this process for some few minutes and it's going to open up. So here is the interface you are going to see. We are going to do a little settings here before we start generating our image. So over here we have access to text to image, we have access to image. But first we'll go up here to change from SD to Flux because we are going to be using Flux for this generation. Here where you see checkpoint, you need to click here, then select the Flux 1 dev BNB NF4 version 2 save tensor. So select that. Once that is selected, you need to come here. So leave all these other settings the way they are, then come over here. From here you can paste in your prompt. So for this prompt, we are going to be using this text prompt that we got from ChatGPT. So you go to ChatGPT, copy your prompt, then come back to MimicPC Auto 11. Then from here, with this area where you see prompt, that's the prompt area. So over here, we need to paste in our prompt. This is the prompt we have pasted. Then you need to scroll down so that we can set the size for this generation. Then from here, if you want a high resolution image, you need to turn off this particular option. By turning this off, it's going to give you a high resolution image. Then you come down and from here, you can set your size. If you are going for the YouTube size, then the YouTube size should be 1920 as the width. Then from the height you have 1080, that's the height. If you want to, this is for landscape YouTube size. Then if you want to get YouTube short, it means you need to click here to flip the width and the height size. If I click on that, you can see it flips the size, but we are going to maintain this. So now you go down here, you can select the badge creation. So from here you can select how many image you want to get per time. So this is the batch count. So if you increase this to 2, you are going to get 2 image creation, but let's just leave it at once at first. So after that setting, then you need to come here and click on generate, and after some few minutes your image is going to be generated. You can click on the image to open up the image. You can see how cool this image is. Then if you want to download the image, you will see there will be a small icon here, which is the download icon. You can click on that icon to download your image, and once your image is downloaded, if you come down here, there are other options available down here. If you want to imitate the color in this image and how structured this image is, if you want to use that, then you can click on this other icon at the downside, send image and generation parameters to image tab. It's going to send that image to the image option. And from the image to image option, if you want to remove anything from your image, you can use this to inpaint or to inpaint sketch. You can remove and add anything you want to add over your image. But if you are satisfied with this image, then you can simply go ahead and go up here where you see the prompt area. You can then go back to your ChatGPT area, then come down to the second scene, which talks about the cat brushing teeth. So from here you can copy the prompt for this particular scene 2, then copy this prompt, then come back to the MimicPC. Then inside the prompt area, you are going to now enter that second prompt which we just copied. After entering that prompt, you go ahead and click on this generate. But before you click on that generate, you can come down here to check if the settings is still the same thing that you are looking for. So with that being said, then you can go ahead and click on the generate option to get your second image. And now this is our second image. If you open up the image, you can see how cool and realistic this image is. You can go ahead to download this image. Then you can go ahead to create other images for the entire scene 3, scenes up to scene 7. You can get all the images ready using Flux on MimicPC. Once you get all your image ready and you have downloaded your image, you can go ahead to use 11 Labs. From my Word document, you can see this is the narrator's voice. So once I copy this, go to 11 Labs. So you click on text to speech, and from this option you can just paste in your script. This is the entire script that I have copied. Then you go ahead to the right hand side, you select the voice from here, the voice you want to use for this story. Then you come down and leave all these settings the way they are. Then click on generate speech to get your speech generated. When your voiceover is being generated, you come down here, click on the download button to download your voiceover. Now let me show you how to put this voiceover and the images you generated from MimicPC together using CapCut. Before we combine the image and the voiceover into a video, let me introduce you to the Comfy UI workflow contest. So if you go to the homepage of the MimicPC website, you have access to the Comfy UI workflow contest. I'll leave the link to this also in the video description and also in the comment section of this video so that you can have access to it. If you click on that link, then it's going to take you to this other interface which says MimicPC Comfy UI AI Influencer Workflow Contest. This contest starts March 10 to April 10, 2025. For the first place, gets one winner takes home $800. Then for the second place is for 3 winners takes home $300 each. Then for the third place, 5 winners takes home $100 each. So if you want to start the challenge, you simply click on start your challenge, and you can also join their Discord platform so that you can get more information about this. So here from MimicPC, we have other AI tools available. You can click on video generation. I have other AI tools available for video generation. For face swap, we have other AI tools. Face fusion, we have other AI tools available for face swap. Then for LoRa model trading, we have other tools available for this. Audio generation, there are other tools available to generate audio for anything you are doing. I'm going to do videos on different AI tools on this website later on this channel, so do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I create another video about this website. So come over to CapCut, click on create project. Now we are on CapCut. Then you need to import the audio and also the images that you generated using MimicPC. Click on import this import option, and from here where you can get the images. This is the audio and these are all the images. So select them all at once, then click on this open option to import all of them. So now that they are imported, the next thing is to bring down the audio.
Meet our cat, Bob.
So this is the audio. Now is to click and drag it over to your timeline. This is the timeline area, so place it there. Once it has been placed, you can click on this play button to listen to how the voiceover sounds like, so that you know where you are going to be placing all your images.
It's a new day and he's ready to start his daily routine. First things first, Bob makes sure his smile is fresh and clean.
Alright, so that, now we need to bring in that. So this is the image, so I'll place the image down just like this. So from here, you are going to place all your images accordingly to your voiceover. So I'm going to be placing my images and then I'll play this video for you. And now, after arranging all my images according to my voiceover, this is the outcome.
Meet our cat, Bob. It's a new day and he's ready to start his daily routine. First things first, Bob makes sure his smile is fresh and clean. A quick bath to shake off the sleepiness and start the day right. Bob's not just cute, he's also a master chef in the kitchen. Breakfast time. Bob knows a good meal fuels a productive day ahead. It's time for work. Bob's got big plans for today. At the office, Bob is all business. From meetings to emails, he's always on top of things.
So you can take a look at that. If you want to take your video to the next level after generating your images from MimicPC using the Flux model, after that you can animate these images using any other AI tool available to you. I will leave the link to this website in the video description and also in the comment section of this video. I'm going to be doing more video on this particular website, so do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video about this website. I'll see you guys in my next video.